Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss hormone related multiple choice questions. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. 1. Which is true for hormones? A. They are never present in our food and always synthesized in body. B. They are always taken with food and never synthesized in body. C. They have high molecular weight and cannot diffuse through cell membranes. D. None of these. Answer. A. They are never present in our food and always synthesized in the body. 2. Which of these properties are not present in hormones? A. They can easily diffuse through membranes. B. They are specific in their action. C. They are never stored in body and synthesized at once. D. They have a high molecular weight and not found in plants. Answer. D. They have a high molecular weight and are not found in plants. 3. Which of these is an organ of mixed nature secreting both juice and hormones? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Pancreas. D. Spleen. Answer. C. Pancreas. 4. Term metabolism means the total sum of A. All chemical activities taking place in living organism of energy release or gain in the body. B. Only energy gaining processes in the body. C. Only energy releasing processes in the body. D. None of these. Answer. A. All chemical activities taking place in living organisms of energy release or gain in the body. 5. Increased BMR, increased oxygen consumption, palpitation, profuse sweating, insomnia, excitement, restlessness etc. are the symptoms of A. Hypothyroidism. B. Hyperthyroidism. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer. B. Hyperthyroidism. 6. Enlargement of tubules in diffuse manner and enlargement of one or more tubules of thyroid glands would cause A. Graves' disease and Plummer's disease respectively. B. Addison's disease and Hashimoto's disease respectively. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer. A. Graves' disease and Plummer's disease respectively. 7. Hyperthyroidism is ordinarily a genetic disorder but often provoked by A. Chronic infections like TB, influenza, tonsillitis, measles etc. B. Hyperphagia and excess iodine uptake. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer. C. Both A and B. 8. General metabolic rate in our body is controlled by A. Thyroxine. B. Adrenaline. C. Acetylcholine. D. Growth hormone. Answer. A. Thyroxine. 9. Metabolic rate in our body can be increased by giving an injection of A. Thyroxine. B. Testosterone. C. Acetylcholine. D. Insulin. Answer. A. Thyroxine. 10. Both in gigantism and acromegaly there is enlargement of body but the major difference is A. In gigantism the growth of body and skeleton is symmetrical but not in acromegaly. B. In gigantism the growth of body and B skeleton is asymmetrical but not in acromegaly. C. Gigantism is due to hyposecretion and acromegaly due to hypersecretion of STH. D. None of these. Answer. A. In gigantism the growth of body and skeleton is symmetrical but not in acromegaly. 11. CRF, corticotropin release factor, from hypothalamus controls release of which of these from pituitary? A. ACTH. B. LTH. C. ICSH. D. None of these. Answer. A. ACTH. 12. Chemically hormones are A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Steroids. D. Both proteins and steroids. Answer. D. Both proteins and steroids. 13. Father of endocrinology is A. Sharer and Sharer. B. Sutherland. C. Addison. D. None of these. Answer. C. Addison. 14. Which of these functions hormones perform in our body? A. Regulation of cellular activities and influencing growth. B. Regulation of intermediary metabolism. C. Maintenance of homeostasis. D. All of these. Answer. D. All of these. 15. A hormone is A. An enzyme. B. A glandular secretion. C. An excretory product. D. A chemical messenger. Answer. D. A chemical messenger. 16. Beside regular endocrine glands the other structures of endocrine nature are A. Gastrointestinal mucosa. B. Placenta. C. Gonads. D. All of these. Answer. D. All of these. 17. Spermatogenesis is under direct regulation of A. Vasopressin, B. FSH, C. Luteinizing hormone, D. None of these. Answer. C. Luteinizing hormone. 18. Which of these hormones of adenohypophyses is essential for intensification of synthesis of hormones from adrenal cortex under a direct feedback regulation? A. ACTH, B. STH, C. MSH, D. ICSH. Answer. A. ACTH. 19. Hypothyroidism in adulthood would lead to A. Cretinism, B. Addison's disease, C. Myxedema, D. None of these. Answer. C. Myxedema. 20. Which one of these is involved with the initiation of metamorphosis of frogs tadpole? A. Thyroid, B. Parathyroid, C. Thymus, D. None of these. Answer. A. Thyroid. 21. Removal of thyroid in frog's tadpole would A. Make it into a giant frog, B. Keep it in tadpole stage throughout life, C. Turn it into a dwarf frog, D. Lead to its instant death. Answer. B. Keep it in tadpole stage throughout life. 22. Acromegaly results after adolescence due to hypersecretion of A. Insulin, B. Thyroxine, C. Prolactin, D. Growth hormone. Answer. D. Growth hormone. 23. Hyposecretion of hormone from pituitary would lead to A. Cretinism, B. Goiter, C. Diabetes mellitus, D. Diabetes insipidus. Answer. D. Diabetes insipidus. 24. TSH stands for A. Thyroxine stimulating hormone, B. Thyroid stimulating hormone, C. Thymine stimulating hormone, D. Temperature stimulating hormone. Answer. B. Thyroid stimulating hormone. 25. Hormones differ from enzymes in the respect that they A. Are found only in animals, B. Are found only in plants, C. Are used completely in metabolism, D. Are not used up in metabolism. Answer. C. Are used completely in metabolism. 26. Pituitary glands is found in A. Brain, B. Around the trachea, C. Gonads, D. Pancreas. Answer. A. Brain. 27. Which of these hormones from pituitary is responsible for activation of breasts during pregnancy, secretion of milk after birth and functioning of corpus luteum during pregnancy? A. PRL, B. LTH, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Answer. C. Both A and B. 28. One of the defects of surgical removal of pituitary gland is fall in the level of sodium ions in blood and rise in potassium level. The reason for this being A. Atrophy of adrenal cortex, B. Atrophy of adrenal medulla, C. LTH is no longer being available, D. None of these. Answer. A. Atrophy of adrenal cortex. 29. Secretion of androgens by testes is under the regulatory influence of A. Oxytocin, B. Follicle stimulating hormone, C. Vasopressin, D. Luteinizing hormone. Answer. D. Luteinizing hormone. 30. Secretion of which of these is not much controlled by pituitary? A. Adrenal medulla, B. Adrenal cortex, C. Thyroid, D. Testes. Answer. A. Adrenal medulla. 31. Secretion of all of the hormones of pituitary gland is controlled by which of these? A. Neurosecretions from brain, B. Neurosecretions of hypothalamus, C. Secretions of other endocrine glands, D. None of these. Answer. Sad face, B. Neurosecretions of hypothalamus. 32. Pituitary in frog consists of A. Adenohypophyses, B. Neurohypophyses, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Answer. C. Both A and B. 33. Pituitary in a woman is A. Larger than man, B. Smaller than male, C. Having same size as in man, D. None of these. Answer. A. Larger than man. 33. Endocrine glands are those which secrete their fluids A. Into definite ducts, B. Directly into blood, C. Into blood or ducts, D. Only when they rupture. Answer. B. Directly into blood. 34. Ductless glands which pour their secretions directly into the blood are known as A. Apocrine, B. Holocrine, C. Exocrine. D. Endocrine. Answer. D. Endocrine. 35. Master gland in our body is A. Pituitary. B. Thyroid. C. Pancreas. D. Thymus. Answer sad face A. Pituitary. 36. Pituitary gland is called leader of endocrine orchestra because A. It controls activities of all other endocrine glands in body. B. It controls growth of body in all vertebrates. C. It controls activities of thyroid, adrenals and gonads. D. It is largest than other endocrine glands in our body. Answer. A. It controls activities of all other endocrine glands in body. 37. All the reactions during anabolism are A. Endothermic. B. Exothermic. C. Both, and B. Both. D. None of these. Answer. A. Endothermic. 38. Which of these are the disorders of hypothyroidism? A. Cretinism in children. B. Myxedema in adults. C. Hashimoto's disease. D. All of these. Answer. D. All of these. 39. Which of these sets of names is applicable to one and same hormone? A. Vasopressin, adenpitressin. B. Secretin, gastrin and enterocrinin. C. Thyroxine, oxytocin and triiodothyronine. D. Testosterone, LTH and prolactin. Answer. A. Vasopressin, adenpitressin. 40. Chemicals directly released into blood are called A. Pheromones. B. Enzymes. C. Vitamins. D. Hormones. Answer. D. Hormones. 41. Fluffy body, weak body, shrunken genitals and declined fertility are symptoms seen in A. Pituitary myxedema. B. Ateliosis. C. Acromegaly. D. None of these. Answer. A. Pituitary myxedema. 42. Promotion of thyroid growth and synthesis as well as release of hormones from it is controlled by A. TSH. B. FSH. C. ICSH. D. LTH. Answer. A. TSH. 43. Which of these hormones of pituitary stimulates contraction of uterine muscles to induce labor pains for delivery? A. Pitressin. B. Prolactin. C. Vasopressin. D. None of these. Answer. A. Pitressin. 44. Growth of muscle, bones, connective tissues, cells, promotion of DNA and RNA synthesis, gluconeogenesis process are done by A. STH of pituitary. B. TSH of pituitary. C. ACTH of pituitary. D. None of these. Answer. A. STH of pituitary. 45. Endocrine glands are characterized by presence of A. Well-developed ducts. B. Of no ducts to carry secretions. C. Poor blood supply. D. Poor nerve supply. Answer. B. Of no ducts to carry secretions. 46. The hormones of pituitary are drained through A. Hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal vein which also supplies controlling factors from hypothalamus. B. Anominets. C. Both, and B. D. None of these. Answer. A. Hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal vein which also supplies controlling factors from hypothalamus. 47. Addition of a trace of thyroid extract in water containing tadpoles of frog will A. Kill all the tadpoles. B. Keep them in larval stage permanently. C. Hasten their metamorphosis. D. Slow down their metamorphosis. Answer. C. Hasten their metamorphosis. 48. Asymmetrical protrusion of eyeballs giving an angry, frightened look is seen in which of these? A. Simple goiter. B. Exophthalmic goiter. C. Both, and B. D. None of these. Answer. B. Exophthalmic goiter. 49. Posterior lobe of pituitary is also called A. Neurohypophyses. B. Adenohypophyses. C. Infundibulum. D. None of these. Answer. A. Neurohypophyses. 50. Which set of these disorders is due to oversecretion of concerned hormones? A. Gigantism and exophthalmic goiter. B. Cretinism and mongolism. C. Rickets and diabetes mellitus. D. Cretinism and diabetes mellitus. Answer. D. Cretinism and diabetes mellitus. 51. Acromegaly and gigantism are due in A. Hypothyroidism. B. Hypopituitarism. C. Hyperthyroidism. D. Hyperpituitarism. Answer. C. Hyperthyroidism. 52. Acromegaly is exhibited by which of these symptoms? A. Coarse skin with folds and hairs. B. Enlargement of nose, lips, tongue, foot, hands, lower jaw and internal organs. C. Muscular pain and impaired vision. D. All of these symptoms. Answer. D. All of these symptoms. 53. Acromegaly is caused by A. Hyposecretion of GH. B. Hypersecretion of GH. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer. B. Hypersecretion of GH. 54. Which of these is both endocrine and exocrine? A. Thyroid. B. Salivary glands. C. Pancreas. D. Pituitary. Answer. C. Pancreas. 55. Endocrine glands are featured by A. Presence of a duct. B. Absence of a duct. C. Poor nerve supply. D. All of these. Answer. B. Absence of a duct. 56. Irregularities in which of these glands will affect our body most? A. Gonads. B. Thyroid. C. Parathyroids. D. Pituitary. Answer. D. Pituitary. 57. Pituitary gland is also called A. Epiphysis cerebri. B. Hypophysis cerebri. C. Crus cerebri. D. None of these. Answer. B. Hypophysis cerebri. 58. Adenohypophysis is distinguished into A. Pars distalis. B. Pars intermedia. C. Both A and B. D. Pars nervosa. Answer. C. Both A and B. 59. Neurohypophysis contains A. Oxytocin. B. Vasopressin. C. Both A and B. D. Oxytocin and prolactin. Answer. C. Both A and B. 60. Chief similarity between enzymes and hormones is that both are A. Proteins. B. Used again and again. C. Used in minimum amount. D. Active at particular pH. Answer. C. Used in minimum amount. 61. Secretion of which of these is under nervous control? A. Post-pituitary. B. Anterior pituitary. C. Pineal body. D. Adrenal cortex. Answer. D. Adrenal cortex. 62. Gonadotropins are produced in A. Adrenal cortex. B. Adenohypophysis of pituitary. C. Thyroid. D. Neurohypophysis of pituitary. Answer. B. Adenohypophysis of pituitary. 63. Which of these secretes oxytocin? A. Adrenals. B. Pituitary. C. Thyroid. D. Ovaries. Answer. B. Pituitary. 64. Which of these hormones are secreted by thyroid gland? A. Tetra-iodothyronine. B. Triiodothyronin. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer. C. Both A and B. 65. Thyroid secretes its hormones under the influence of A. Nervous control. B. TSH of adenohypophysis. C. ACTH of adrenals. D. None of these. Answer. B. TSH of adenohypophysis. 66. Hyposecretion of thyroid hormone causes A. Cretinism in children. B. Myxedema in adults. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer. C. Both A and B. 67. Simple goiter is caused due to A. Hypersecretion of thyroid hormone. B. Hyposecretion of pituitary hormones. C. Lodine deficiency in food leading to hyposecretion of thyroid. D. None of these. Answer. C. Lodine deficiency in food leading to hyposecretion of thyroid. 68. Which one of these regulates BMR in our body? A. Pituitary. B. Heart. C. Thyroid. D. Parathyroid. Answer. C. Thyroid. 69. Greatest concentration of iodine is found in A. Thyroid. B. Parathyroid. C. Pituitary. D. Adrenals. Answer. A. Thyroid. 70. Metamorphosis in frog's tadpole is under the control of A. Thyroid. B. Parathyroid. C. Pituitary. D. Adrenals. Answer. A. Thyroid. Thank you. Future Vedya.